Now we will be covering different suits of the minor arcana. Swords, the first suit of the minor arcana. As we know that we are having 4 suits under the minor arcana. The swords, air element, the wands, fire element, cups, the related to emotions, the water element, and pentacles, the earth element. So we'll start with the swords. Swords are related to element air. When we are talking about the air, so we are dealing with the Aquarius, Libra or Gemini, because these zodiacs are related to air element. Swords comes under the air element and it deals with thinking, thoughts, belief, attitude, actually our mental level of consciousness. Swords are often double-edged, so fine balance is required when we are dealing with the air element or when we are dealing with our thinking and mental issues. So now question comes, how the swords can be balanced. The swords can be balanced by wands, the action, with the balanced feelings, the emotion, and the earth element, because you need this foundation also, you need grounding also to establish something. And the fifth element, which we know that the sky, the universe is. So our thought with balanced support of action and emotions, with the help of grounding and with the help of divine, the universal energy, can create harmony and satisfaction in our life. Ace of Swords, the first number card. This card represents new idea, success, mental clarity. Sometimes it talks about confusion also, or it advises you should consider rethinking on particular proposal or the subject. Sometimes it shows your clouded mind also. So we'll start with the symbology first. Here in the picture we can see hand is coming out from the cloud, which shows the hands of divine, which represents the divine support. The crown here, it shows the victory and the success. Mountains, earlier also we had learned, mountains are the symbol of hurdles and challenges. So this card shows new way of thinking, encouragement. You need to expand more, might be you need to explore more on some particular subject or issue. It also talks about sudden realization about some situation. The swords, the air element, it talks about our communication also. It shows be clear on your plans or else you are going to waste your time only. When swords cards comes in a reading, generally we consider swords in a negative manner, but as we know that all cards are having positive as well as negative. Swords are carrying more negative energy because it related to our mind. To think in a better way, we need the proper balance, proper grounding. So when this card comes in a reading, it talks about a new situation, but it will come with some challenges. You are going to face some challenges also, some hurdles also will come. It talks about new idea, so you need to be careful. You have to see the pros and cons also, because if your seeds are not going to be healthy or if it is not planted well, you are not going to get a healthy plant. Generally, whenever the swords card comes, it talks about the communication and it talks about our mental situation only. But when Ace of Swords comes in a reading, it talks about something new, very beginning of something, and it talks about success also, but you have to be focused and very clear what you are looking for. Sometimes it shows our clouded mind also, might be you are very much confused or you are simply thinking, and in advice situation it talks about you have to consider the rethinking of the situation.